This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Josef Parr. This lovely 3-bed 2-bath block house presents a fantastic investment opportunity. Featuring a newer roof, 2021, and HVAC, 2021, an updated kitchen from 2019, LVP flooring throughout installed in 2019, and modernized bathrooms from 2019 and 2021. With an excellent rental history, this property is being offered along with 4 other properties, perfect for expanding your investment portfolio. Its favorable location offers convenience to UF, shopping, and more. Don't miss out on this great investment opportunity. For more information, review the details below.